How have you read the relentless selling from global investors in India? I mean, for the last many months, our market has been held up by local investors, but foreigners have been selling relentlessly. But do you see that abating anytime soon and the foreign money coming back?
Yes, I think it will. As soon as confidence returns in the US, in other words, as soon as the US market comes up dramatically, then people will be looking at India again. There's no question about that. In fact, they'll be looking at emerging markets generally. Actually, emerging markets have been doing fairly well recently vis-a-vis the US market because there are many of the large investors that want to diversify out of the US. And so that's been a plus for emerging markets. But I think the interest in India will return, no question about that.
Yet there's been a lot of talk about the money going to China because of the gap in valuations, reopening of China this year, etc. But how do you see these two? Because you track both carefully. But between China and India, what will suck in most of the emerging market capital which is coming back?
You must remember, China has a number of advantages at this stage. As you know, China underperformed India dramatically in the last few years, and now it's beginning to turn. That's number one. Number two, the Chinese market is very large and very liquid. If you compare the market capitalization of China versus India, you'll see that there's a huge difference. So for the large institutional investors, they really don't have much choice but to go to China. So if they have a basket of emerging markets funds, they might put 10% in India and maybe 40% in China. So you can see that China is still very attractive from that point of view and will continue to be so.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.